Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm excited to share 5 simple passive income opportunities for 2024. Over the years, I've set up multiple passive income streams that bring in thousands of dollars each month, and today I want to share some of those with you. Some of these I've used myself, while others are fresh ideas that have a ton of potential for the upcoming year. Before we dive in, let's clear up a common misconception. Passive income is often hyped up as this magical way to get rich quick, but it actually takes some upfront effort. You're either investing your time and hard work up front or putting in some money to get things rolling. Once that's done, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor with minimal ongoing effort. Trust me, it's possible. I've got checks coming in every month to prove it. Here's the first one, which I think truly qualifies as passive income, is dividend investing. Ever thought about getting paid just for owning stocks? That's what dividend investing is all about. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends, and they give you a slice of their profits regularly. It's like getting a bonus just for holding on to your investments. Look for solid companies that have a history of paying dividends, and you're good to go. Want to get into real estate without buying a house? Check out real estate crowdfunding. You team up with other investors to fund real estate projects, and in return, you get a share of the rental income and any property value increase. It's a cool way to diversify and earn passive income without the hassle of being a landlord. The third idea is peer-to-peer lending. Imagine being the bank and earning interest on loans. With peer-to-peer lending, you lend money to people or small businesses through online platforms, and they pay you back with interest. It's a win-win. You help someone out and you earn some extra cash. Just make sure to spread your investments to reduce risk. Got a skill or knowledge you can share? Why not create an online course? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable let you make courses on anything you're good at, from cooking to coding. Once your course is up, people can enroll and you earn money every time they do. It's a great way to turn your expertise into a steady income stream. This final idea takes a lot of effort to learn how to get traffic, but if you're into blogging or social media, affiliate marketing can be a goldmine. You promote products or services you love, and when people buy through your special link, you earn a commission. It's perfect if you have an audience that trusts your recommendations. Plus, it's a fantastic way to monetize your content. And there you have it. 5 simple passive income ideas to try in 2024. I hope you found these tips helpful and you're feeling inspired to start building your passive income streams. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos packed with more tips and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Have any questions or passive income ideas of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging with this awesome community. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook for even more insights and updates. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Keep hustling, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.